everyone, welcome to my channel Passion Street. If this is your first time watching my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive more latest updates. So I'm here again to show 6 DIY lip scrubs made of very simple ingredients that are easily available in our own kitchen. So during this lockdown, everybody is staying at home. Why can't we make this period more and more productive by making simple things that are available at our own home, which is very useful for our skin, for our body. So what will be the result after using lip scrubs? The result will be healthy, smooth and rosy lips, which we all want. So why to spend lots of money in purchasing more and more expensive lip scrubs? And we can simply make our own lip scrubs using very simple ingredients that are available in our own kitchen. So these lip scrubs will help you to get rid of those dead skin on your lips and help your lip balm to penetrate more deeper into your skin. And when we see our lips gets dry, the skin starts peeling, we'll just blame our weather, but it's not really because of the weather. The damage or dryness on our lips is also because of not taking proper care or because of the stress.
And somebody also complains, I'm using my lip balm regularly, I'm using lip scrub regularly, but still my lips are not looking healthy, not looking smooth and blah blah blah. So the reason is, even though you're using lip balm, even you're taking care of your lips, you might be doing some mistake in exfoliating.
So I'm gonna show you how to properly exfoliate them to keep them feeling and looking healthy. Before I actually start the video, let me clear out few things. It's very important to know how to exfoliate your lip that you don't cause any damage. It's highly recommendable to exfoliate your lips at least once or twice a week. It really helps you to cleanse your lips and keep it healthier. So first thing I want to tell you, what are lip scrubs made of? So mainly the lip scrubs contains two components. One is exfoliate and the second one is nourishing agent. So these two components together help our lips to keep hydrating, smoothing and rosier. So how to exfoliate your lip? There are two main things to follow. First one, make sure your lips are clean of makeup before you start. Second point, you have to exfoliate gently on your lips. Use a light toothbrush or with your hand. So do not rub hardly, but just make it simple and smoother. Why should we exfoliate our lips? First, to remove dry skin. Second, to make our lips soft and smooth. Third, to keep lips moist. Fourth, to make your lipstick looks better and stay longer. Fifth and final thing, exfoliating your lips helps dehydration, bleeding and dryness. So these are the 5 benefits you're gonna get when you exfoliate your lips regularly. So today I'm gonna show you 6 DIY lip scrubs with no chemicals, pure ingredients that we use in our food that are easily available in our own kitchen. So let's get into my video. The benefits of using this particular scrub. So this contains honey, coconut oil and brown sugar. So most of you already know coconut oil contains antioxidants and fatty acids that nourish our skin, while the brown sugar acts as natural exfoliator that removes dead and dry skin. And coming to honey, most of you already know that honey contains healing properties. So when you have dry, chapped lips, honey plays major role in healing that. So this is all about this coconut honey lip scrub. chocolate lip scrub. So this is also my favorite because it also satisfies my chocolate craving. Since we used cocoa powder to make this chocolate lip scrub, cocoa powder helps moisturize our lips more and more deeper and also removes the tan.
So I'm gonna tell you one tip here. When you go outside in the hot day during summer, once you come back home, just apply ice cubes on your lips, rub it like 1 or 2 minutes, and then apply cocoa powder if you have, or any chocolate that you have handy. Just apply on your lips, rub it for 1 or 2 minutes. It really helps to get rid of the tan. So this chocolate scrub helps you to get rid of dark lips.
We also used vanilla extract in the scrub. So vanilla has high bundle of antioxidants and anti-aging benefits that helps get rid of damaged lips. So those are the benefits of using this chocolate lip scrub. Lip scrubs acts as natural plumper.
Nowadays we all know most of the people are getting some injections to make their lip plump, right? So this cinnamon lip scrub acts like a foolproof to achieve that.
Cinnamon acts like a natural exfoliator and helps to achieve smooth and soft lips instantly. So this is all about cinnamon lip scrub. Lip scrub is coffee lip scrub. You know, coffee is a secret weapon we can use on your skin or on your lips to make it look healthier, softer and smoother. So since we used coffee and honey together, this combination, one of the best combination to use on your skin to keep it more and more moisturized, and it gets instant results to make it your skin or lips look healthier and softer. So this is all about coffee lip scrub. Vitamin E is the best vitamin to treat our skin. This vitamin E treats your chapped and irritated lips instantly. So this is one of my favorites. So I always use it on my face and my lips as well. So this is all about vitamin E lip scrub. Final lip scrub is Rose Petals Lip Scrub. So rose contains antibacterial properties. Its antibacterial properties helps in protecting our lips. So this rose petals also helps in lightening our dark lips. So if you have tanned lips or dark colored lips, so this scrub really helps you a lot in lightening your lips. So just give it a try and for sure it will give you good results. So this is all about rose lip scrub. So I'm going to show you one lip scrub on how to apply on your lips and exfoliate properly. This honey lip scrub I'm going to apply on my lips. Just take a little bit that you feel enough on your lips.
So I'm going to apply it on my lip. Make it pout. Touch your lips, like smile as much as you can. Rub it in circular motions. This process 5 or 6 times. Just cover your corners, your lower lips, your upper lips, and also rubbing your lips helps good blood circulation. So you'll get instant pink color. While rubbing it feels so delicious, but I don't want to eat or lick. So just do this process for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay? Just wipe it with lukewarm water. Not cold water, not hot. Just lukewarm. So I wiped everything using lukewarm water. And this is how it looks after scrubbing.
So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. So each scrub has its own benefits. Please give a try of all these lip scrubs and let me know in the comment section how useful it was for you. And if you really like this video, please hit a like button and please do subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to receive more latest updates on your notification feed. Thank you again. See you in my next video.